Hey everybody, today I'm going to demonstrate for you guys a pretty cool lead generation tool that I created for small businesses to be able to find points of contacts at other companies that they can then market and advertise their services to. So essentially how it's going to work is the business is going to put in the names of the other businesses into this left company column, and after the workflow is active and running, this hiring manager column is going to start to get filled out with hiring managers that work at these companies. So I'm just going to go ahead and execute the workflow to get started. Essentially how this is going to work is this Google Sheets trigger is going to go off every single time a new company is added to the testing sheet that we're using with the companies. So once that trigger is going, the company names are going to be then brought into this workflow. They're going to be added with a couple of keywords. So in this case, it might be like ABC company hiring manager or different other keywords to help us find the position that we're looking for at those companies. And then we're going to hit a couple of HTTP requests, which is going to search the internet for SERP data on these companies. So SERP data, just like to give a quick little explanation of it. It's like if you went onto Google and you looked up Apple and you saw the small description of the Apple company and its websites. That's the SERP data that these two HTTP requests are going to be bringing in, and then that information is going to be interpreted by our AI agent on the right hand side, and what you see working right now. And that information is going to be brought into our Google Sheet, so the agent is going to have the ability to add to our Google Sheet, and then the workflow is going to start over again until all the columns, all the companies have been filled up. So the workflow is almost done. You can see almost all the hiring managers are filled out for each company. So if you just wanted to test and see if these hiring managers actually work at the companies they're being filled out for, we want to, so let's say grab one of the names. Let's do that Brian Cullen right here, and put that in Google. And then the company he works for, Ripples, put that in Google. And let's see what we get. We've got Brian Cullen, Senior Corporate Talent Acquisition at Ripples. So it worked. And after that, like I said, the small businesses can go in and start trying to, like I said, market their services to the representatives they have been filled out here on this sheet. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to get in touch with me, you can always message me on LinkedIn, and I can show you how to build cool workflows like these. Or if you want this for your own business, you can again contact me here on LinkedIn. And thank you guys for your time, and have a great day.